What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I had this pot which was almost 4 years old and I was thinking to do a quick makeover of this pot. So let's see what we can do with this. So that's the quick makeover of my 4-year-old pot that I had made. It looks absolutely stunning. I really love. I've given it some legs so that it can be elevated above the ground. This also helps in good airflow, also helps in draining out the water. Anyways, our soil is well draining, but this helps in taking out the excess water faster rather than it being fused completely on the floor. And for succulents, I have used my haworthia onslow. This is haworthia polydonis. I'm not very sure about these two, but the succulents are looking fantastic. I've also used a small piece of decor. It's not very congested. I've given enough space because all of these succulents are horizontal growing succulents, or basically they tend to open up wide, so we want to give them enough space. We do not want to do any kind of repotting for another couple of years, maybe 3 years, 4 years, because the pot is also of a good size, so it will house these succulents for a very long time. This basically reduces the stress of repotting succulents because they do not like to be repotted quite often. They like to stay in one place for a very long time. So this is going to work out really well. They have enough space to grow, and the soil is the same. 80% aquarium sand, 20% filtered garden soil, loose, porous, well draining. The pot is earthen pot, but because we have painted it, the porousness of the pot will be lost. But at the back, I haven't painted anything. I've just left it as it is. Two benefits. One is that we don't need to waste our paint. Secondly, that portion is going to stay porous, so it will start absorbing moisture. This is a waterproof paint, so ideally this tends to reduce the porousness of the material. It will block the pores, and the earthen pot is not going to be that effective. But we have left a good space at the back. I've not painted it at the back, so that is going to work out really well. It's not much of an issue for me because I'm from a very dry environment. Plus my soil is very loose porous, so it's not much of an issue. So even if little bit of the pot is not porous, it's absolutely fine. And of course the base is also not colored, so that is also going to work out really well. So that's about it. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep planting.